What's up, people? I am back. I got my drone. Now, you will never believe this. So, I've had my drone for 2 years, and it was completely demolished. I mean, the left arm was broke, right arm was broke, back arm was broke, back left arm, back right arm. The SD card was broke. The downward sensor module was broke. Everything is broke. Boom. So I sent it in, and first off, they said, they told me everything wrong. Boom. And they said, okay, well, it's gonna be $152 to fix it. I said, okay. So I paid the money. Boom. They sent it to me. Well, when they sent it to me, they sent a big old box. I'll show you a box. I mean, a big box. When I sent it in, it was like a box like this big, that big. I mean, everything crammed in there. And then they sent me everything back in plastic. I mean, basically brand new wiper, brand new propellers. Here's the case that holds it right here. I mean, brand spanking new. My case, yeah, the top was broke right up here. So this is a brand new case, it looks like. But yeah, so then my battery they sent back, nice big plastic bags, but this is not my battery. This is a brand new battery. It's crazy. Everything. I don't even know if this is my controller. There's nothing wrong with my controller batteries. Yes, this is my controller. This is used. So this is my controller, but then my charging cable. I'm not sure. Oh, that's for the controller. My battery charger had, like, I think it was like shampoo or something. I had a little bit of white stuff, white stuff spilt on it. I think it was shampoo. But anyways, they sent me a brand new one in the box. I don't know if you can tell, but yeah. Brand new. The best thing of all, when I opened this box, I got my drone. Look at that. $150. They sent me a brand new drone. Still in plastic and everything. I gotta take the plastic off to open it. But, man, if anyone is gonna buy a drone, DJI is the way to go. I bought a, I did buy insurance on it, but I've had my drone for 2 years, so after 2 years, the insurance is only good for 1 year, but after 2 years, they give you another year of like accidental damage for safe flight. So, I mean, a $3,000 drone, everything was broken. I'll put the pictures up here, but yeah, to only charge me $150 is outrageous. I mean, it's really good, really good. Here's my baby. We got more propellers right here. More propellers in the box, but yeah, brand new drone, man. Right. Wow. Huh. It's got propellers on it. Boom. First thing they sent me, I got a new hook. Wow. That's it, boys. Boys and girls, there she is. Brand new drone. She's a monster camera. I think it has plastic on it. Nope, no plastic. Yeah, brand new. Wow. Oh, it's missing the bottom propellers, but they're in the box. But I got another set of propellers, but whoo, there's my baby. Look how big it is when you spread it out. It don't look that big when it's boxed up, but spread out. It has I don't know, it probably has a 15-inch wingspan, Still got plastic on it. Yep, it's got the plastic right there. I don't know if you can see it, but it's got a little bit of. Whew, there it is, man. Brand new drone. I'm so happy, man. DJI, I love you guys. Yeah, if you're ever thinking about buying a drone, you gotta go DJI. There's no other choice in the matter. That $3,000 drone, you know, they sent back to me. Let me put that plastic back on. I like that little plastic. It holds it in place here. Holds the camera in one spot, so that's a new thing they put out, because yeah, they didn't have that before. But yeah, back in the business, Hey, I put a new banner on my website just now. I can tell y'all what it is, but yeah, a little crazy, but it has some of my most popular videos. You know, one is this way and one is this way. But go check it out for yourself. Let me know what you think. Thanks, folks.